Hey everybody, this is Danielle with sugaringLA. We have put together something special for you guys. We have a little at-home sugaring kit since we are not able to see all your wonderful faces. So in our kit, it includes a 8-ounce tub of sugar paste and 5 sticks and about 5 pieces of cotton. So how we're going to use it is we're going to warm up our sugar paste in the microwave for about 10 seconds at a time, 25 seconds tops, just enough to where it's kind of pliable, or you can set it in some hot water. And next what we want to do is cleanse our skin. We want to have clean, dry skin, no lotion or oils. So once we have that, we are ready to sugar ourselves. So we're going to take our stick and we're going to grab the right amount of sugar paste for the body area we are doing. So if we want to do an upper lip, we're going to use a really small little piece, right? But we're going to be doing a leg right now. So I have this nice little heap of sugar and I'm going to apply it to the skin. I am going to spread it out against the hair growth in a nice thin layer. And I'm going to mold about 3 times to really seep it into the hair follicle. And then I'm going to set my stick to the side. I'm going to take my cotton. I'm going to apply it right over my sugar paste, and I'm going to press in the direction that I applied the sugar against the hair growth. So I'm applying about 3 times with firm pressure against the hair growth, and I'm going to take the paste, I'm going to hold on the skin, and I'm going to pull it out in the natural direction of growth, just like that. And I can reuse this same piece. I'm going to set it right back down. I'm going to push it back down. I'm going to rub 3 times and I'm going to pull it out in the natural direction of growth. And you can repeat this about 3-4 times with the same piece until it's not grabbing hair anymore. And then we'll flip that to the side, but save it, don't throw it away. Your instruction kits will tell you how to reuse that. And then what we would do is get a warm towel and place it over the area to take any residual sugar off of the body, and you are now hair free. So if you have any questions, you can DM us on Instagram. Feel free to email as well. We will be selling these kits at the studios, possibly 2 days a week, and we will be shipping them to you. So thank you. Bye-bye.